Tickets are numbered 1 through 100 and put into a drawing for a prize. What is the probability that the winning ticket will not be a multiple of 12? So this is one of those situations where the number of values, the tickets that aren't multiples of 12, there's a lot of them, but there aren't that many that are multiples of 12. So what we're going to do is we're just going to list out all the multiples of 12 that would be possibilities for these tickets, so between 1 and 100. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the probability that it is a multiple of 12 first. So let's see, 12 is a multiple of 12, and then 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. And then our multiples continue with 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, and then our next multiple of 12 would be over 100, so it's too large. How many do we have in total here? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values that are multiples of 12. So 8 multiples of 12. So let's write out the probability that something is a multiple of 12 out of these tickets. Well, there are 8 values where that's the case out of a total of 100. This does simplify by dividing both top and bottom by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the probability that it is a multiple of 12 is 2 out of 25. But remember, our final goal here should be to find the probability that it will not be a multiple of 12. So let's write that out. Probability that it's not a multiple of 12. So what's great about the complement rule is since we know now the probability that it is, we can subtract that from the probability from 1 to find the probability that it's not, because it either is or it isn't, right? So when we find all the probabilities together, they have to add up to 100%. So here we can say 100%, or 1 minus 2 over 25 is going to be our probability that it's not a multiple of 12. When we subtract those, we end up with 23 out of 25 as the final solution.